Hey guys, what's up? Today's video is an awesome video. I'm a very happy girl. I finally, after 2 months of searching, found it. Ready for the big surprise?
Yeah, I'm not gonna look.
What have you been... Nope, you gotta come out, bud.
I did.
What have you been asking Mommy for?
I don't want you to tell me, but I don't know.
A big freezer for all your ice cream. Mommy finally found it.
Now you gotta be joking. This is dreams. This is dreams.
You can't really open it because I just started it. But we'll open it so you can take a look inside.
Whoa, is this the one that was at the store you put this?
That's kind of... Ooh, feel how cold it is already.
This is ice.
Oh. Feels like ice, doesn't it? So we're gonna end up putting all your popsicles up here.
Okay, now my ice cream down here.
Yeah, put some meats and ice creams down there. But I'm glad that you can open it yourself. Alright.
Okay. Our kissy space.
So you guys saw the video how Christian was so excited about his new ice cream freezer, and I'm so excited. Like I said, it took us 2 or 3 months to find it. Everybody was sold out. Nobody had them online. You had to wait till either August, anywhere from August to October to get one. I just happened to walk into Walmart and find this sitting there for $198. Talk about a steal, considering everybody else wanted $300 plus. 7 cubic feet. OMG, I love this freezer. I'll give you a little tour of the freezer in a minute. But for right now, I just want to show you guys my small little haul. Just little add-ins. So, for starters, we have the Market Basket. You guys know I love my Market Basket stuff. Market Basket russet potatoes, which I'm going to use either tomorrow or Monday for our shepherd's pie recipe. The Fontina cheese, which I'm going to use for my 5 cheese al forno pasta. The artisan French rolls. This bag is huge. And it's actually funny, I ordered this stuff on Instacart. And they had this 22-ounce bag and 11-ounce bag, I believe. It was either 11, 12, 13-ounce bags. Anyways, for the same price. I think it was like $3.69 on Instacart through Market Basket. So you know your girl went with the bigger bag. I can cook some for dinner when I do the shepherd's pie. I can do it when I do pasta. There's plenty of rolls in there. There are 12 rolls for 3 of us. Christian doesn't eat rolls really. So that's like 2 or 3 dinners right there. Not dinners, but to go with the dinners. I bought my favorite Fantini bulky rolls. We use these all the time. Just yesterday I went to go get Christian a sandwich on Wonder Bread. And he was trying to describe, Mommy, I want the round bread. I want you to cut it and make it a round sandwich. It took me about 2 or 3 minutes to figure out, oh, he meant the bulky rolls. Yes, we do go through these all the time. Then I got, I guess I'll step back here, 2 of the Hood 1% low-fat milk, a gallon of it because my husband uses it for his Slim Fast. I use it for cereal, recipes, whatnot. So we have 2 of those. The ricotta cheese, which I use for the pasta. So I probably should put it this, they could explain together. But yeah, I use this for the pasta, Market Basket brand. I am a budget-friendly person who goes 9 out of 10 times with the store brand. And 9 out of 10 times, I'm shopping at Market Basket, my favorite grocery store. Then got Corando Sparrow ham. I'm not sure if this is a Market Basket brand or if it's Corando brand. But this is the best ham out there. I've tried several, and this is my favorite. It's nice and juicy. Then I got my Land O'Lakes American cheese. Once again, another brand that this is one of the only brands when I'm grocery shopping that I have to make sure it's Land O'Lakes. I'll eat it if it's not, but I 99% prefer the Land O'Lakes. So all of this right here on Instacart cost about $31. I did order 8 of those Peggy Lawton brownies that my son might love to eat and snack on, but they didn't have them in stock. So, it was 36 and change. So mine's like $5.25 for the brownies because that's how much total for the brownies would have been. So nothing. When you order on Instacart, you know your totals for every single food item. But anyways, I figure about $31 with tip and having it delivered. That's okay, I guess, considering I didn't really get much. For $31, you think I'd get a lot more. This is name brand, Belgioso. So honestly, I'm telling you guys that buy store brand 99.9% of the time. There are some brands that I do buy through their name brand. Belgioso is the best Fontina cheese. I have tried Great Value from Walmart, and honestly, it didn't have flavor. Didn't do anything to it, so gotta have the Belgioso. This is it, guys. This is our little haul. So let me get this put away, and then I will show you what the inside of our freezer looks like. You guys ready for this? Are you sure you're ready for it? There we go. We got our basket for Christians. Alright guys, so first off, I just want to let you know that today's video... Alright guys, first off, I just want to let you know today's video is going to be made into 2 parts. So the part that I'm giving you now is the final part. And then on hopefully Monday, we're going to head out to the store with Christian. We're going to pick up all the frozen treats he wants for his new freezer, his ice cream freezer, and probably pick up a couple pieces of meat. Get what's in here all organized, because as you can see, we desperately needed a freezer. We have so much food, it's not even funny. Mind you, we went grocery shopping 2 weeks ago, and I've only bought a couple of things here and there. So yes, and it goes on up here. So we are going to go grocery shopping, not grocery shopping, kind of grocery shopping, but we're gonna go get the frozen stuff on Monday, hopefully. And you'll see that in another video of Christian just going crazy in the store, getting all the frozen treats he wants, all the ice cream he wants. Because I'm not one for ice cream. I don't like ice cream personally, and I don't want to give my son too many sugary treats. So he does yogurts and healthier treats, fruits. It's very rare that I let him buy ice cream. 1 pack ice cream at that. Now, he's got his own little freezer. He's getting older. I'm like, you know what? We'll pack it up with sweet treats, and it's gonna last us 2 to 3 months. Because he doesn't really get them. He'll get maybe 1 ice cream a day. But anyways, this is... I'm just gonna show you guys my chicken recipe, my fried chicken recipe. Unfortunately, I don't have enough memory for it, so I had to go ahead and get the other video edited and upload to YouTube before I can show you guys this recipe. So this recipe will be on our next video, my fried chicken recipe. And yes, you do see that pancake mix. I'll fill you guys in on the next video. Alright, talk to you later. Bye.